Good morning. Today we will be talking about the 19th June 2023, which is most venomous for the various reasons. The first reason is that there are three planets which are in Mrityu Bhag at 9:12 a.m. tomorrow IST. Mercury is in Vishgati and Moon will be in Ardra Nakshatra and on the Trishul tip. So all this, is something parallel to the progression chart of India of the 75th year, which is of Cancer Lagna. And at 9:12, 19th June, the Cancer Lagna is rising. So Mars will activate the natal Mars in the progression chart, which is also in Mrityu Bhag, and with Saturn. And Saturn is also in Mrityu Bhag in the 8th house in the transit, and Mars aspects Saturn by 8 strong aspect. So the countries prone are for Cancer and Capricorn ascendants, or the signs allotted by Varahamira. India has been allotted Capricorn. So, and in Navams, Mars and Saturn are together in Capricorn. In Earthy sign, so the effects will be first in the watery sign, because they are in watery sign, so there will be cyclones, and then earthquakes, because the sign in which Mars and Saturn are going is Earthy. And I have clearly predicted this. The countries which are prone are China. I will just tell you, I had written an article on 23rd May also, but I will now tell you which are the countries which are prone. China, India, US, Iran, New Zealand, New York, Amsterdam, Punjab in India, Mexico, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. And we already know that there is a tussle going on between India, Pakistan and India, China. So there could be warlike situations and clashes at the border. Then the other is the US and China and Taiwan. So all this, can trigger, because Mars is a planet of triggering. It triggers the issues. And China has Mars debilitated in the 7th house of wars, and it will be activated, and Mars will be in the 7th house in Mrityu Bhag, and Saturn will be in the second house in the chart of China. So it is very bad, and all this will be happening in the 12th house of US. So all this is not conducive, and what I can see is cyclones of magnitude. We have already seen all this has been predicted well in advance by me. I had already mentioned that after 4th June, the time frame till 19th June is most venomous and most tragic and gruesome, and the countries can be at dagger's drawn. And all this, if it sprouts, then it will saturate, meaning it will explode after 3rd of October, when Mars joins Ketu in Libra, and there will be eclipse around the 28th and 29th October. So friends, best of luck. And already you have seen what is happening in China, what is happening in US, what is happening in the other countries. Earthquakes. Jammu and Kashmir has already had 2 earthquakes in this morning, and India, Delhi has also experienced an earthquake, although the intensity of 5.4, 2 earthquakes of 5.4. So all this has been predicted well in advance by me. And this cyclone, the prediction for cyclone and the train collision was all predicted by me and well in advance. So this is all, friends, just wanted to share. 19th can also have impact on the stock market. We have to see what is research parameter, what will happen to the stock market, because Saturn is retrograde. Sun has changed in the sign Gemini, and if you see the solar ingress of Gemini. Sun is in the 8th house. The 10th Lord is in the 8th house and Sun is in the 8th house, and the Lagna Lord is debilitated in the 9th house with Venus, the 7th Lord. So it clearly shows what has been predicted by me already. Please read my articles. I will mention in the description box. So you have to be alert as far as the stock and financial markets are also concerned, because retrograde planets do influence the stock market, and especially when they are stationary. Saturn is also stationary for 4 to 5 days after retrogression from the 17th. So it is, a planet which is in Mrityu Bhag and also stationary and retrograde. It will pierce the house. So the house, as far as India is concerned, is the 10th house and the house of the Prime Minister, the head of the country. So let us see what all happens. Let us pray that there is no untoward happening and my predictions are wrong. So thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.